Hello, I am Dr. Sigar Kanti, Associate Professor of Mathematics, Government First Grade College, Kayarpuram, Bangalore. In this video, we discuss some more commands related with matrices in Scilab. Here, row, reduce, echelon form and normal forms. An example, create a matrix A and find row, reduce, echelon form, normal form, adjoint of A, inverse of A, and eigenvalues of A. So here I will open my Scilab. So this is Scilab console. First I will create the matrix A equal to 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 7, 3, 5. So that is here. A equal to matrix that is square bracket open 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7 semicolon. Second row 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 semicolon. Third row 7, 3, 5, 7, 3, 5 square bracket close. Okay, this is my A. Row reduce echelon form. Command for row reduced echelon form is REF bracket. Type the name of the matrix. Matrix A. Enter. RREF enter. So this is a row reduced echelon form. Normal form. Normal form I have to write this as like this. RREF. Open the bracket. And within this bracket again RREF bracket open A bracket close. Here we have to take the transpose of this, again bracket close. RREF of RREF. So one bracket open, second bracket, third bracket. Here I have to close one more bracket. Okay, I think it is correct now. RREF of RREF transpose. This I think only one bracket is sufficient here because this gives RREF transpose. Again I am taking RREF. Okay, I think it is sufficient. So this is our normal form. And inverse of A is INV of A. Okay, this is inverse of A. And then eigenvalues of A. For eigenvalues we have SPEC. SPEC open bracket A enter. These are the eigenvalues. Adjoint of A. Adjoint of A can be obtained by, we have A into adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A. Uh, A inverse equal to adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. A inverse equal to adjoint of A divided by determinant of A, or adjoint of A equal to inverse of A into determinant of A. So here inverse of A star determinant. For that we have the command det of A enter. So this is our adjoint of A. Okay. Next one, normal form adjoint A inverse of A eigenvalues of A. Okay. Next example. Okay. Create a matrix A create a matrix A and find the row reduced echelon form. Find the normal form. Construct lower triangular matrix. Construct upper triangular matrix. Construct 6 8 5 4 from A. Construct diagonal matrix having diagonal elements 5 7 1. Construct 5 1 5 1 from A. Okay, so this we have to perform on Scilab. For that, first I will construct the create the matrix A equal to A equal to first row 5 to 1, 5 to 1 semicolon 6 7 8, 6 7 8 semicolon 5 to 1, 5 to 1 bracket close, square bracket close. This is our A. Row reduced echelon form, that's RREF of A. This is row reduced echelon form. Construct the lower triangular matrix of normal form of A, that is here RREF open bracket RREF A dash transpose bracket close. This is the normal form. Construct the lower triangular matrix. Command to construct the lower triangular matrix is TRIL. Lower triangular matrix, the command is TRIL of A. Okay, enter. This is the lower triangular matrix. Construct the upper triangular matrix. Command is TRIU. TRIU of A. Okay, this is the upper triangular matrix. Construct 6 8 5 1, that is a 2 by 2 matrix. See, if you observe this matrix here, 6 8 5 1, 6 8 5 1. So that means I have to take second row, third row, and first column, third column. Okay, let me try. A open bracket, here in square brackets I have to take the second row, third row. Okay, that is we write here 2 comma 3, close the bracket, put a comma, again open square bracket, columns 1 1 3. So here 1 comma 3, close this square bracket, close this parenthesis. Now enter. Yeah, I am getting 6 8 5 1. So I am creating the matrix, this matrix from the matrix A. Next, construct the diagonal matrix. Diagonal elements are 5 7 1. So we know this. So here DIAG bracket open, square bracket open, 5 7 1, 5 7 1, close this square bracket. Okay, I think this diagonal, just we have to close this parenthesis. Okay, this we want to put this these 5 7 1 on the diagonal. Okay, enter. So I have created this diagonal matrix whose diagonal elements are 5 7 1. Next example is construct 5 1 5 1 from A. Where is 5 1 5 1 5 1 is first row, third row, and first column, third column. For that I have to write this as A open bracket, open square bracket, first row, third row, 1 comma 3, close the square bracket, put a comma, again open the square bracket. I have to take first column and the third column. So here I will type as 1 comma 3, close the square bracket, close the parenthesis. Yes, now enter. 5 1 5 1. Okay. Next example. find the rank of the matrix. Okay, find the rank of the matrix. So here I will first create the matrix A equal to open square bracket. This is 1 2 3 4 1 2 4 by 4 matrix. First row 6 1 3 8 6 1 3 8 semicolon. Second row 4 2 6 minus 1 4 2 6 minus 1 semicolon. Third row 10 3 9 7 10 3 9 7 again semicolon. Fourth row 16 4 12 15 16 4 12 15 square bracket close. This creates a 4 by 4 matrix. 1 2 3 4 by 4 matrix. Okay, this is the matrix. I have to find the rank of this matrix. Command to find the rank of the matrix is just write TRANK open bracket A rank. This gives the rank of the matrix A. Enter. To rank of this matrix is equal to 2. Okay. Next, reduce to normal form and find find the rank of A. So already we have done this. Again, I will 1 1 minus 1. First row is A equal to open bracket 1 1 minus 1 semicolon. What is the second row? 2 minus 3 4. Okay, 2 2 minus 3 4 semicolon. Third row 3 minus 2 3 3 minus 2 3. Close the bracket square bracket, enter. So we have created this matrix. What we have to find out? Reduce to normal form and find the rank. Okay, normal form is RREF open bracket RREF in the bracket write A. To this take the transpose, close the bracket. Okay, so this is the normal form. And to find the rank of A, RANK open bracket A. Okay, rank of this matrix is equal to 2. Next example is create a matrix M minus 7 0 0 0 minus 1 0 0 0 0 0 minus 7. Okay, I think in one step it may not be possible to create this matrix. What I do here is first I will create a 4 by 4 matrix and then I will access the first 3 rows. Okay, that is the method. Okay, this is the matrix. First, I will do this. I will A equal to, I will create a matrix A equal to DIAG open bracket, open square bracket, minus 7, minus 7, 0, 0, minus 7, minus 7, 0, minus 7 space, minus 7 space, 0 space, 0, 0 space 0. Okay, I'll close this bracket. What this does is just if we enter, I am getting this is the matrix here. That is, I am getting a 4 by 4 matrix where these two elements are minus 7, minus 7. I don't want, I want only 3 by 3 matrix here. Okay, 3 by 4 matrix where this element is minus 7, this element is minus 7. This is equal to 0 itself, this is equal to minus 7. I will create one more matrix along with this. What I do here is I will take one more matrix DIAG, DIAG, open bracket. I will put this on here. I want to create one matrix 4 by 4 matrix where these elements are one line above the diagonal. Okay. So for that I will write 0, 0, minus 7, minus 7, 0, 0, minus 7. Okay. So I am putting these elements one line above the diagonal means this creates a 4 by 4 matrix, comma, 1. Bracket close. Okay, I'm adding these two. So what I'm getting here is, yeah, I'm getting this matrix 4 by 4 matrix. But here to create this matrix I need only 3 by 4. That means here this is the required matrix here. Okay, to access this matrix what I do here is I have to take 3 rows and all the columns. That's to access this one I will type as A, open bracket, 3 rows. So that is here 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, close square bracket, comma, columns. How many columns? All the columns here. To get all the columns, I will put a colon here, close the bracket. This gives first row, second row, third row, first row, second row, third row, and all the columns. Okay, let me enter. Yeah, I am getting the required matrix here. Okay, next one. Construct this matrix. Construct this matrix. Here also I have to create 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is there. And 8, 8, 8, 0. First I have to create 5 by 5 matrix and then we have to access 4 by 5 matrix. For that, what I do here is I will uh, take this one, DIAG. Okay, let me copy whether it works or not. Copy. Here I will paste. It is not working, I think. Okay, I'll type. Just a minute, it is not working. Ah, yes, 8, 8, 8, 8. So double time, I think it has. Okay, I'll delete this. Right? Now, if I enter this, then I am getting this matrix here. But I need this matrix. Four rows, 4 rows, and 5 columns. So that means I need these first 4 rows and all the columns. To access this one, I'll type as A, open bracket, first 4 rows, that is open square bracket, 1 to 4, 1, colon 4, close the bracket, give a comma here. How many columns? All the columns I need. So therefore, for all the columns, I will put colon here and close the bracket. Okay. Then if I enter, I am getting this. I'm sorry because not assigned. Okay, the name is M I have given here, I have to give M, right? So here I'll change that name. A, not A, this is our M. Okay, now enter. Yeah, I am getting the required matrix. Okay, okay, thank you. I'll stop here.